When it comes to picking the next big stock, it seems like you might have an easier time finding a needle in a haystack. To illustrate this, let's take a look at two stocks that went public in 1997. The first stock was an online auction retailer that allowed users to buy and sell goods with each other. It was touted as a strong competitor to eBay and formed a partnership with Yahoo to provide auction services. The second stock was an online bookseller that was formed to compete with the brick-and-mortar bookstores like Barnes & Noble. Both stocks went public within a couple of months of each other. Both stocks were online retailers. Both had bright futures. But which one was the next big stock? Would it surprise you to know that the first stock is on sale, while the second stock is Amazon? On-sale stock never rose to the levels many expected, while the book-selling retailer Amazon has grown to become one of the largest companies in the world and one of the most successful stocks ever. One stock hit is big, while you probably have never heard of the other one. But in the summer of 1997, there was no way to predict which one would be which. Remember, you only get one chance at retirement. Don't bet your whole nest egg on picking the right stock. Click on this link to learn how to properly invest during retirement and avoid the common mistakes.